Hi, this is Vadim from Online Training for Everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to make Google Chrome your default browser on Windows 11. If the content of this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. To make Google Chrome your default browser on Windows 11, you need to navigate to Settings first. Click on the Start button and type Settings. Here in Settings, you need to find Default Apps. And in Default Apps, you need to find Chrome. Here in the section Make Google Chrome your default browser, click Set Default. Next, you need to check the file and link types. Make sure HTML and HTML uses Chrome. And also make sure HTTP and HTTPS uses Chrome as well. Now you can close the settings window. And I have a link to Microsoft's website on my desktop. If you click on the link, it opens up in the Chrome browser. If the video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. And make sure to check out other videos on the channel, as we have a lot. Enjoy your day.